What's going on, people? Hey, I made a whole video about this color build. Well, just a demo for the Lureworks Gator Green. And then my SD card came up with an error, so I lost all my footage. So anyway, I wound up mixing 20 drops of this green and a cup of plastisol. Now, with all the different greens out on the market, I mean, we have this watermelon brown, which is awfully close to that one. Should get some better light. So it's pretty close. And then you got your watermelon, which is pretty close as well. It's a little bit more green than the other one, but I mean, there's so many different colors out there. Along with these bait plastics, I got this pumpkin brown green. Love this stuff too. And then we got the green smoked pearl, which is just like metallic green, kind of like you get the Emerald City here from Dead on Plastics too. I like that one. And then when you get like marsh grass, another green. Melons, another green. And you got dark melon, which is like green with a little bit, probably a drop of black or something in it. And then one that I consider kind of green, more brown, is the goose turd. I like this one a lot. Really good sungill color. And then you got the kiwis, which is a morph color from Dead on Plastics, which is green, but with the right light it turns brown. I like this one a lot too. So anyway, I went ahead and shot this 2.8 gilly. I wanted to shoot the 5 with a 5.4 or something inch whip wad so you can see the translucency, especially like in the tail at 20 drops. It's a little dark. I mean, I guess I could have done less drops on it, but either way, really like this bait because you can put a 4/0 beast hook and you got your nice big hook slot in the bottom, and then same on the top. You got a hook slot to hide the top of the hook, make it weedless. This thing looks great in the water. So anyway, I wound up shooting that, and then I had these tails that I made from the leftover last cutthroat trout dye, and essentially this is the Epic Bait Molds 5.2 shekel. So really cool thing about this mold is that it comes with a tail mold that's built into it. So I went ahead and put 2 of those tails on it back in the mold to shoot it, just to give it some contrast, break up the color a little bit, since it's all just a plain old green color. Doesn't look too fancy, and I do kind of like that green though. Definitely with some watermelon red in it, but I'll do a video once I have the opportunity on spicing up a little bit, just by putting some color shift in it. So let's see. This mold is like flawless. So you got your tail mold here, and then you got your tails here. So it makes 8 tails, and then you have 4 baits. So oh, it looks pretty cool with that tail. A lot of reflection. Still got a lot of hard light. At least I got a little bit more light available. Bear with me, I'm doing this with my cell phone because I don't have time to shoot it with my GoPro right now and then have another error. So this bait works really great on a swim jig or a chatterbait. But yeah, here's the straight green one. So that's the shekel. And so we'll open up the gilly next, then we'll get to the last mold, which is actually, you know, Lureworks Arkansas Flash. It's available on their website. So anyway, this is the one they actually put up with their color demos on the website. I use it a lot on like smaller chatterbaits, 1/8 ounce, even up to a 1/4 ounce. But I really like the action I get. I've used it on a drop shot and caught fish too. It's a pretty neat little profile. It's 2.8 gilly. I want to get to 3.8 in single spruce so I can laminate them differently. Gilly always impresses me. So I shot this in Bay Plastics 242. Would like to make it a little bit softer for these, but you can see you got plenty of action in that tail, and I'm just barely holding it. So still transparent-ish. So and when we get to this last one here, this is the Arkansas Flash. They all came out on this side. So what's really neat about it is you get the different densities between the tail, and then of course the grub part is very dark. It's still pretty transparent, but you know, you could spice this up real good. You could just throw fire red in it, make it like almost like a watermelon green. It is watermelon-ish. So yeah, this mold always shoots flawless, just like all the Epic Bait molds do. So yeah, that's about it. I figured I'd just show you. Oh, and here's a green color, that one of my first ones I got, baby bass color from Do It Molds, and the X2, which is like super concentrate. It's really thick. So show you the puck one more time so you can see the color when it's opaque, and then you can see the difference in the color when it's transparent. So yeah, love this mold too. Got a detail in that. Anyway, I appreciate all you guys checking out my videos and whatnot, and subscribing. I'm trying to get up some more content next week, hopefully full videos. Usually post a short every day, every other day. So maybe I'll do a difference in these green colors, but I don't really feel like making a whole video. Green is green, right? Sort of. And I'll show you what you can do with this green to change it real quick. Got some color shifts in mine, or hollow shifts, and mica shift powders. I got a bunch of different things to try out, but right now really don't have the time. So anyway, appreciate y'all. Take it easy. Peace.